Hi, my name's Geoff and I'll be doing the Plains Rally this year to raise awareness for the problem facing African elephants. At the moment we're facing a war against poaching.
Hey, you. Come on.
Yeah, it's okay, it's fine.
Wait, come on. Wait. Come on. Wait.
Are you still recording? Cool. Yeah, it's okay, what's up? Hi, my name's Geoff and I'll be doing the Plains Rally this year to raise awareness for the poaching problem that Africa is facing at the moment. We're currently losing a vast number of elephant to poachers, and elephants are very close to my heart, as around our camp, Lantori Lodge, which I co-manage with my girlfriend, we have vast numbers of them. But until we do something about this poaching problem, we're losing the war. So anyway, please support us, support Hands Off Our Elephants, and please support the David Sheldrick Trust. And cut.